Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Today we're reviewing the Qoolife waterproof dry bag with Bluetooth speaker. So I was looking for a product for when we go to the beach and also camping, and dry bag sounded great, especially for the beach. Extra bonus, it has a Bluetooth speaker that you can use while you're at the beach, camping, anywhere you're outdoors. So it actually works great, and it also acts like a backpack. It can be an excellent little trekking bag that will keep everything dry while inside the bag. The bag itself is made out of PVC and ABS plastic. It has a charging port right here for the Bluetooth speaker, but it can also charge on the fly. So it can charge with solar, and this charges the battery for the Bluetooth speaker. It can't charge any devices that you plug into it because it is a micro USB input that they give you. Connect the micro USB in there and you hook it up to any charging device, power bank, solar generator like we have, or you could leave it out in the sun for hours and have it charged there. The speaker looks very small, but you're gonna see that that's very deceptive because this actually has really good sound. I was quite shocked at the quality of sound that came out of this. They do sell this bag in two sizes. This is the large 20-liter size, and they also sell a 10-liter size, which is pretty comparable to this, just half the size. To power it up, you just hold down the power button and it's gonna talk to you.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Then you're gonna pair it with whatever device you want to pair it with. I'm gonna pair it with my cell phone. So if we see this right here, we just go to the Bluetooth menu, and we're going to pair a new device. You'll see inflatables right here. We're going to click on that and it's going to pair.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
We have some acoustic pop rock here from you, from one of my old bands, and here we go. Gonna turn up all the way. That's the loudest it goes, and volume is controlled by the phone. Now as you can see, the extra special bonus is they have lights that react to the sound that comes out. So it's got pretty good sound, especially for that little speaker. I was shocked. I thought for sure it was just going to be just an okay speaker, but it does a very nice job. So yeah, the sound out of the Bluetooth speaker is great. Also, without the music, you could just have the bag light up. For example, you just push the power button once. It'll go to color changing lights that react to sound if you're playing. If we push it again, it has a white light, and then it goes to a brighter white light. So this thing can throw off light when you need it to see stuff. It has a flashing red light, which is like an emergency light. And then finally, you can turn all the lights off. I already used this bag. It's really, really big. I used it at the beach, and I have a little bit of sand remnants there, but nothing, absolutely nothing got in this bag. So if we're looking on the inside right here, you can see this thing is huge, and I was able to put change of shorts, t-shirts, my glasses, everything for the beach plus in this bag. And then to close it up, you're just going to roll it up, and you're going to roll it up towards the Bluetooth speaker once, and then they have these clips right here on the sides. You're just going to have them come in and close it up. And that's what closes up the bag and keeps it watertight. I did get water, sand all over the bag. Everything just washed off. I was able to put it in the ocean and just wash it right off because water cannot penetrate the bag. Now, it can penetrate the bag though if you fully submerge this. So this is not something that you take out to submerge and go diving with or anything like that. No swimming with it. It's not a flotation device or anything like that. It's just a really good bag to keep the rain out, the dirt, the sand, anything that you don't want touching your stuff. Just to let you know the run times on this. On a full charge, the music Bluetooth speaker goes for 3 to 6 hours. If you just have the lights by themselves, they go anywhere from 3 to 10 hours depending on the light. You can charge it fully for 12 hours in the sun, or you can just again plug it in to the handy sealable micro USB connection right there. That's what I did. I charged it with my solar generator, so it was all solar power anyways that went in here. We got the Qoolife waterproof dry bag here. We got a bunch of clothes that we're gonna fill it up with, and we have Zach who's gonna test the water repellent quality of the bag after we fill it. This is the 20-liter version, and all those clothes filled about half the bag. So this thing is huge. We still have even more space. And the greatest thing is we're going to seal it up, roll it once, twice, have the clips on both sides, close, and that should keep the water out. Then you have these wonderful 2 straps. Use it as a backpack. We're also gonna have some fun. We're gonna put some tunes on while we soak Zach. Let's do some squirting with some tunes. We got some tunes coming out. We got a half full bag in our 20-liter, and we have a hose. So let's see how it does with water. You notice that the bag is still playing music, totally waterproof, and it was an excellent thing to bring to the beach because of this very reason. How we feeling, Zach? Cold? I don't know, turn around. Let's check to make sure that everything on the inside is dry. Clothes on the inside, dry. And that is our review of the Qoolife waterproof dry bag. It's an excellent bag all around. We loved it for the beach. I was able to store everything that I need for changing, along with other things for Zach and everyone at the beach. We sprayed it down with Zach wearing it, and it does repel all water that sprays it. Bluetooth speaker is a Pro 2. Very loud for what it is. I was very shocked. I thought it was going to be a subpar quality Bluetooth speaker, but it actually does pretty well, and the lights are handy for nighttime. The only cons of the bag, I wish it had a bigger solar panel so it would charge faster. I wish that they had volume control on the bag itself for the Bluetooth speaker. If you'd like to purchase your Qoolife waterproof dry bag, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.